these narratives are again generated by all other whoever want to generate that kind of. I think it was there in circulation, so you want to connect the dots, but this dot is disconnected. Okay. As I have said, it is specific. It is specific, and specific because it is needed to only this particular duration of time where we must be seen coming together to give effect to the decision which is needed to fulfill the aspirations and demand of our people and ensure that these pave a way, for our people to mutually coexist and progress and prosper together, and preserve the legacy of our state being, an island of peace and prosperity. Specific to the situation prevailing in Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and Garo Hills region.
Right. So nothing
To give effect to this particular decision, which is required to be taken collectively by all the elected MDCs of Garo Hills. Now, it is necessary and it is incumbent upon me and my team, my colleagues and my political party, that we engage with our MDCs and give them the honors of responsibility to put their hands together in adopting whatever resolutions are required, whatever procedures are required to be taken collectively as the elected MDCs of the current house of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. So it is an extraordinary situation which is considered as needed by us, and without that we would be seen as somebody who would be acting as a stumbling block. So no one, not even a single MDC elected by the people, must be seen as a stumbling block. I would like to appeal to all the MDCs once again, therefore, to come together and see that they unanimously take a decision in the House, in the District Council, so that it will be on record.